Hello, today we're going to be making a dashboard in Excel. Clean interactive dashboards that you don't need any formulas or code needed. And we're going to be using some help desk ticket data here. Alright, so we have our data here, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a pivot table. So we're selected in the table here, and we'll go to the Insert tab and select Pivot Table. And we'll do existing worksheet and go to the dashboard tab here, and we'll select right here. Alright, and then it populates our pivot table for us here. And what we're going to do is we're first going to put category in rows. We're going to put ticket ID and values so we can count the amount of tickets, so it automatically populates to count. And then we're going to put status in our columns so we can see which status the tickets are at. And we're going to put priority on filters so that we can filter by the different priorities here. Alright, so that's our first part of our dashboard here. And then we're going to add some slicers and timelines in here that we can filter additionally without using a drop-down arrow. So we'll click in our pivot table here, and we'll navigate to the pivot table tab, and we're going to do insert slicer. And we're going to insert slicers for status, assigned to, and priority. And then it populates them here, and so we'll add them over here. This way that we can filter by these as well, so we can see Alice's tickets, we can see the ones that are in progress, we can see the ones that are urgent. Alright, and that's a few that you can choose from there. And then we're going to add in a timeline so that we can see the created date of different tickets. Filter by the month. You can also filter by years, quarters, and days too, which is pretty cool. Alright, and the last thing we're going to do to complete our dashboard is to insert a chart. Alright, so we'll click in the pivot table here and do insert chart, and we'll do a column chart here. What it does is it sorts it by the category of the issue as well as the status. And so we'll change this title to category by status. And we want to change these colors on this here. So we'll select that and we'll click format up here. And so let's say closed is going to be in red. We'll say in progress is going to be yellow, and open is going to be, we're going to keep that green, and resolved is going to be in orange. Alright, so here we are with our dashboard. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to give me a follow or subscribe if you do like this content. Until next time, bye bye.